Hi guys, welcome back to Jess Kitchen. Now today I've decided to cook a spicy chicken with lemongrass. So to start off with, I'm using a tenderloin chicken. Now you can use any type of chicken, but I've decided to do a tenderloin chicken. Try not to put chicken breast because chicken breasts can easily dry. And I also have lemongrass. Now with the lemongrass, I cut into half. And with this one, you just keep it in the fridge in the future. If you want to make anything like tom yum or anything, you can use it. But with the other half, I've already sliced finely the lemongrass. So I use 2 lemongrass. I will also be using a lemongrass paste just to marinate the chicken with it. And I'm using a little bit with the fresh lemongrass. And I use 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, and with chili, with this small chili, you can get it in the Asian grocery. I use about 7 or 8. I normally put a lot more, but because I'm eating it with my husband and my son, I try not to put it too spicy. And with the garnish later, I will also be using some dried chili, but I've already soaked it in the warm water. Okay, and I'll be using coconut water. Coconut water, you can buy it in Coles or Woolworth. I'm also using a little bit of cornstarch, sugar, white pepper, a little bit of fish sauce, and also soy sauce. Okay, so to start off with, I'm just going to turn on the pan, the wok, just to make sure it's nice and hot. And I'm going to add about maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, you can use any type of oil. Once again, I'm using olive oil today. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of the cornstarch, maybe 1 or 2 teaspoons. I'm going to add in about 1 or 2 teaspoons of the lemongrass paste. Okay, just put it on here. And I'm just going to also add half of the fresh lemongrass in there. Okay. And what I'll do, I'm going to add a little bit of fish sauce, maybe 1 tablespoon, guys. And also I will be adding soy sauce, maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Some white pepper, maybe 1 teaspoon of white pepper. And what I do first, I'm just going to mix it all up first. Oh, I can even smell the fresh and the lemongrass paste. It's so delicious. I love lemongrass. Okay, I'm just going to stir it all up. You mix it all up, stir it all. And lastly, I'm going to add sugar. So that when I fry the chicken, it will caramel the chicken to be nice and brown. So just put on top maybe 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay. And I'm just going to add it. Stir it all up. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to fry all the ingredients. So I'm going to fry the onions, add in the garlic and the chili, and also the lemongrass. Not sure whether I put the lemongrass in there or not. So sorry, but I'm just going to add now. Okay, so I'm just going to fry it. Oh my goodness, the smell of the garlic, onion, chili and lemongrass. I wish you guys are all here. You can smell it all, the whole kitchen smell. Now with this recipe, I visited a friend of mine a few weeks ago, and her father is Vietnamese and her mom is Thai. So whenever they both cook in the kitchen, they always fight whether, you know, who Thai food is the best or Vietnamese is the best. So this actually, the recipe comes from both of them. They cooked this one day and I was in the kitchen and I watched them cook. It's just so delicious. So I'm just craving it today. So I thought, oh, why not? I'll make the dish today. Okay, so just cook that. Make sure you don't burn the garlic, guys. So just try to keep on stir it. Okay, now it looks like the onion is a little bit brown. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the chicken in. But before I do that, I'm gonna add more oil. Maybe add another 2 tablespoons of oil. And let it heat up a little bit, the oil, for a few seconds. And then I'm gonna put the delicious marinated chicken inside the pan. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in there. Just gonna fry it now. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna stir through and I'm just gonna leave it for all the chicken juice to come out and make it a little bit dry. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave it for maybe 5-10 minutes and I'll come back to it. Okay. Make sure you spread all the chicken and all the sauces all over the a pan. You can use a pan or you can use a wok, whatever you like. Okay, and I'm just gonna leave it there for 5-10 minutes. Okay, I think I left it a little bit longer, more than 10 minutes. But while I was simmering it, let it simmer, I keep on stirring it just to try to dry up the juice from the chicken. Okay, it looks like the juice is already a little bit dry. It's still there, but it's okay. We can pour the coconut water in, I think. Okay. So the thing, I might leave it a little bit longer, guys, because there's too much juice on it. So I'm just gonna wait for maybe another 2-3 more minutes. All right, looks like it's drying all up nicely. So I'm just going to add the glass of coconut water. Now with the coconut water, you can buy it in any local supermarket or Chinese supermarket. That's fine. Just going to add it in. Okay. And now I'm just going to leave it there for maybe 15 minutes to really let the chicken soak in with the coconut water and a little bit drier. Okay, see you soon. Okay, looks like the chicken is drying up really fast, which is great. Just now while I was waiting for it to cook and dry up, I took some sauce out, just a little bit, so that I can pour it on top after I finish cooking it. So it looks like it's already been dried up, guys. And don't forget to taste. I add a little bit of salt just now and sugar while I was waiting for it to simmer. Oh, it's delicious, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to put it inside here in the bowl. And what I'll do with the sauce just now, I'm just going to add on top because I love the sauce. Okay. Okay. Just going to put it here. Just sprinkle the dry chili just now. So you can eat this dish with noodles or you can eat this dish with steamed rice. Tonight I'm going to cook steamed rice. And when you eat this, obviously you need a fresh salad. So I have prepared, I've just cut some lettuce, put some fresh Vietnamese mint and also cucumber, and I have cooked the snow peas so it's nice and crunchy still. You can use any type of salad you like, but this is the way my friends' family ate them. So what you do, you just put the chicken. Oh, the chicken smells so good. Can't wait to eat them. Okay, just put some there, and I will add some cucumber and some lettuce and a little bit of the snow peas. Okay, and I put some mint leaf as well. Okay, so let me see whether this tastes like the one Sarah's parents cooked. Okay. It tastes so good. I'm not sure whether it's a Thai dish or Vietnamese dish, but it's a combination of Thai and Vietnamese, but it just tastes so delicious. Anyway, I hope you try this quick and easy recipe from Jess Kitchen, the spicy chicken with lemongrass, and subscribe to the video. And if you enjoyed the video, please press likes. And that's it. Thanks guys. See you soon.